In this first video, we'll just introduce you to the Autocad screen area and some basic working techniques and help you understand how Autocad works. It's actually a very simple program. It enables you to draw lines and construct shapes with precision, and it would be my choice for drawing accurate things that we can take through Illustrator and then or through another program and onto the laser cutter. So we have, I've already opened up a file here, but we normally would just go file and open, and for the purposes of school we'll open up an A3 border. There it is. And one thing to just note to start with, I've got some lines and things on there now, but what we have here is a model space area where we would work. If we want to print this off, and this is all set up for you, it will print off within here, and the reason for this is a paper space area now, or a printing sort of layer, and we do this because AutoCAD is very powerful and we can work in a scale. And so we've got an A3 page here, and in model space, when I draw a line that's 100 long, it will print at 100 long, or it will cut at 100 long. So it's important to understand that. Up the top we have the normal sort of drawing tools. Over here we have our layer tools, and these are important because we need to work with some standard layers because we're going to draw different line types: center lines, object lines for lining in, dimension lines, hidden detail lines, etc. And then down the bottom here we have the command prompt box. So AutoCAD's very good. If we type in Z for enter for zoom, for instance, I can make a crossing window and it will zoom in on that area. And then if I go Z and then enter again, and then A and then enter again, I can zoom back out. Down the bottom here we have a set of tools as well, which we will use later on, but that should help you to understand a little bit about where we're going. I guess one last thing we should say is that all the pull-down menus are also repeated in these bars. So we'll mainly use a draw pull-down menu, and the dimension, modify we'll use a lot, and modify and draw are really the main ones that we will use.